Enesval, from Spain to the world. Shall we talk? Enesval is a company that manufactures industrial machinery specializing in the best techniques of packaging, palletizing, automation, and robotics. It is formed by professionals with over 25 years of experience. Our own engineering team allows us to carry out turnkey projects of various scales with a full guarantee of execution. In our facilities located in the south of Madrid, we design, manufacture, and assemble all our equipment. But what is the basis of Enesval's success? We have a technical office that develops solutions tailored to all the needs of our clients. Our continuous feedback with the client during the design process ensures that we can offer the best possible solutions to the challenges we face every single day posed to us. We design and manufacture specialized industrial machinery, offering the best industrial solutions for different sectors, such as the food, agri-food, animal nutrition, construction materials, or for the pharmaceutical and chemical sectors. We have a technical service that stands out for its professionalism and quality. In all the interventions we carry out, we perform regular assistance, verifying all elements of our installations, thus ensuring the long-lasting durability of our equipment and its proper functioning. Thanks to our warehouses, we have in stock more than 80% of the spare parts needed for our machines, in addition to a technical assistance network guaranteed within 24 hours. You can communicate directly with the people in charge of the project, providing you with a solution in most cases immediately. Our technicians will be with you by telephone or telematically during the whole process. Enesval, from Spain to the world. Shall we talk?